In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate elements for social media posts in Canva. Animating elements is a great way to make your designs more eye-catching and dynamic, especially on platforms where people are quickly scrolling past a lot of content. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add simple animations to individual elements in your design, so your posts stand out without feeling overwhelming or distracting. First, open your design in Canva, or create a new one using any template you like. Make sure you're in the main editor view where you can see your canvas in the center and your toolbar around it. Once your design is open, look at the elements on your page. These might be text boxes, shapes, icons, illustrations, or even images. To start animating, you'll want to select a specific element that you want to bring to life. Click on the element directly on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or outline appear around it, usually with small handles or dots at the corners. This tells Canva that this is the object you want to work with. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right item, especially if you have several elements close together. If you accidentally click the background or a different object, just click again on the correct one. With your element selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar options that appear. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Animate. This button only shows relevant animation controls when an element or the page is selected, so it's important that your object is highlighted first. Go ahead and click on the Animate button. Once you click Animate, a panel will open, usually on the left or as a drop-down, showing a variety of animation styles you can apply. You might see options like simple fades, slides, bounces, or other more dynamic effects. Hovering over each option will often give you a quick preview of how your element will move. Select the animation that best fits the tone of your design and your social media platform. For example, subtle movements tend to look more professional, while more playful animations can work well for casual or fun content. After choosing an animation, play your design using the preview button to see how it looks in motion. If it feels too fast, too busy, or not noticeable enough, you can always click Animate again and try a different style. When you're happy with the result, your element is now animated and ready to be exported and shared on social media.